Well guys, as you know, these engines can be oily and they can also be very smoky, and there's a reason for that. And the thing that is the most common is the crankcase air breather, which means that all the fumes inside the crankcase get evacuated out, recirculated back in. This is another cheapie. You can get a nice one from Alisport, which is aluminium, which costs about £60 I think. But basically it sits over here in the engine block. Here's the old one. There's one bolt that goes through here into the engine block. There's one pipe on the top and one on the bottom, and this part goes into the cam cover. In typical Land Rover fashion, what do you expect the most? Different size screws, different bolts, different nuts. This is a 6 here. The one in here going into the engine block is an 8. So just be aware of that before you start. What is that? Change for the 8. There you go, that's quite long. Just pull it out there. And there we have it. There's the new one and the old one. There's no way to tell how good the new one is, but for the moment we're going with it because it costs us a tenner, so it's better than the old one. This one doesn't seem to work that well anymore. It's probably just clogged. Get on there. Just give it a little bit of a nip up there. This boy. There we go. Change back to 6. Well, put the collar in the right place now. It was over here, which actually missed that little point coming out and was squishing the hose. So now it's in the right place, keeps the hose on nice and tight. Same goes down here, although down there is a bit longer. Locking the shot. There we go, look at that. So that should go a little way to help us reduce the smoke of the engine. There are small things, they're easily done. This is a 5 or 10 minute job. Pull it out, put it back in, it's easy to get to. And yeah, we'll see how it goes on the road.
I'm impressed. That was the quickest landing thing I've ever seen. What are you doing now?
Exhaust clamp keeps breaking and the bolts keep snapping, and basically it doesn't keep the exhaust on the turbo, which is basically held on now with a piece of wire, which was a quick fix. As you can see over here, kind of works for the moment, but yeah, it's not exactly a grade fix there. So we're going to try this one, see if it works.